Hello student. Today we are going to learn about hydrogen spectrum. Take a tube. Take a tube. When electricity is passed through hydrogen gas, hydrogen gas, hydrogen gas dissociate into hydrogen atoms, dissociate into hydrogen atoms. Further, upon heating or passed through electricity, hydrogen atom electrons, hydrogen atom electrons. Hydrogen atomic number 1, general electronic configuration 1s1. That means hydrogen has 1 electron in its valency shell. When electricity is passed through hydrogen gas dissociate into hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atom electrons absorb energy. Hydrogen atom electrons absorb energy. Absorb energy. Excited lower level to upper level. Electron lower level, upper level. Electron jumps to from lower level to upper level. Upper level is called excited state. Excited state. Excited states electrons are unstable. Unstable. When returned back, some loses energy. Emission of photon or losses energy is called hydrogen spectrum. When electricity is passed through hydrogen gas dissociate into hydrogen atoms. Further, upon passed through electricity or heating, hydrogen atom electrons absorb energy, excited from lower level to upper level. Upper level is called excited state. Excited state electrons are unstable. When returned back, some losses energy or emission of photon. Emission of photon or losses of energy is called spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum divided into series. Hydrogen spectrum divided into series. Series means group of lines. Hydrogen spectrum, group of lines. Hydrogen spectrum divided into series. First one, Lyman series. Lyman, Balmer. Second one, Balmer, Paschen. Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket, Fund, Humphrey. Humphrey series. Series means group of lines. hydrogen formation of hydrogen spectrum. When electricity is passed through hydrogen gas dissociate into hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom has one electron in its valency shell. Further, upon heating or passed through electricity, electrons absorb energy, jumps from lower level to upper level. Upper level is called as excited state. Excited state electrons are unstable. When returned back, emission of photon or losses some energy. Emission of photon losses energy is called hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum is divided into series group of lines. That means upper level means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Upper level, lower level 1, 2, 3. Hydrogen spectrum divided into series. Series means group of line. Series, Lyman series, Balmer series, Fashion series, bracket, fund, Humphrey series. When electricity passed through hydrogen gas, H2 gas, it is dissociate into hydrogen atoms. Further, upon heating or passed electricity, hydrogen atom electrons or absorb energy excited from lower level to upper level. Upper level is called excited state. Electrons are unstable. When return back, emission of photon. This is hydrogen spectrum. Okay.